Are you a student struggling to keep up with your lessons? Or a parent searching for a reliable educational resource that truly cares? You've come to the right place. Welcome to FEUNIX Distinctions, your premier channel for educational content designed for every learner. We understand the silent struggles that often go unnoticed, the frustration of slow-paced learners, and the need for solid foundations for all students. At FEUNIX Distinctions, we don't just teach. We are dedicated to guiding you every step of the way. Our teaching style is unique, simple, and incredibly effective. We make complex concepts easy to grasp and ensure that every lesson is both suitable and enjoyable, no matter your learning pace. Whether you're a fast learner looking for a new challenge or an average learner aiming to excel, our comprehensive methodology is built to support you. Join a community where no one is left behind. Subscribe to FEUNIX Distinctions today and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Let's make learning an exciting journey together.
I welcome you all. We're going to move on with this class. This is JSS 2 class, Mathematics. We're moving to lesson 9. The topic remains standard form. In lesson 8, we have seen standard form of numbers greater than 1. And I've shown you how to move our decimal point. The first significant figure is one of the key things we watch out for. And I gave an assignment. So we just hope to do the assignment together here for a better understanding. And then if we still have time, we may now look at standard form of numbers less than 1. What we are doing now is standard form of numbers greater than 1. We'll do this correction, then standard form of numbers less than 1. We might do it today or in the next lesson. Correction to assignments. The assignment say express these numbers in standard form. In standard form. The first one is 300,000. We're expressing 300,000 in standard form. It's all about moving the decimal till the decimal gets close to the first significant figure. This is the first significant figure. And we'll say if the decimal is not written, the decimal is at the extreme end. So if it's at the extreme end, it will move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer will be 3 times 10 raised to the power of 5. Second question, 70. Writing this in standard form, since the decimal is not written, we said the decimal is at the extreme end. So if at the extreme end, if it is to move to the first significant figure, it will move only once. Our answer will be 7 times 10 raised to the power of 1, which is also the same thing as 7 times 10, because anything raised to the power of 1, most of the times we don't write it. 10 and 10 raised to the power of 1 mean the same thing. Please take notes. Number 3, 304.865. The standard form, this time around, the point is there. So we'll just move the point till it gets close to the first significant figure. How many times will it move? It will move 1, 2. Our answer will be 3.04865 times 10 raised to the power of 2. 2 because it moved only twice. Number 4, 304.86.5. Standard form, the decimal would move how many times till it gets close to the first significant figure? To move 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer will be 3.04865 times 10 raised to the power of 4 because it moved 4 times. The last question, question number 5, 6300. In standard form, if decimal is not written, consider it to be at the extreme end. Move it till it gets close to the first Euclidean figure. So it will move how many times? 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 6.3 times 10 raised to the power of 3. Because it moved 3 times. And if we want to change the same question to ordinary form, change to ordinary form. Change to ordinary form. That is to say, we'll copy the answer, the first answer, and change it. What's the first answer? 3 times 10 raised to the power of 5. 3 times 10 raised to the power of 5. This will be 3 with 5 zeros. This will be 3 with 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, comma, that's 300,000. So you see it has returned back. That is from standard form to ordinary form. We're doing the reverse. This is the next one here. 7 times 10. The second one, 7 times 10 raised to the power of 1, or 7 times 10 is the same thing. That will be 7. Since the power is 1, you add 1 0, and that's the answer. So it has returned to the ordinary form. Number 3, that is 30486.5. 30, okay, that is from the standard form. 3.04865 times 10 raised to the power of 2. From standard form to ordinary form. This power 2 is telling us that the decimal will move 2 times. The decimal will move 2 times this way. We're going this way. So our answer will be 304.865. Question number 4. Question number 4. We are copying the answer in order to change it. 3.04865 times 10 raised to the power of 4. That's to say the decimal will move 4 times. So we move 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer will be 30486.5. Then the last one, number 5, we have 6.3 times 10 raised to the power of 3. That means the decimal will move 3 times. We move 1, 2, 3. Then these empty spaces will fill them with 0. That will be 6300. That's the answers. Let's make addition to what we have learned. So we want to see standard form of numbers less than 1. Let's solve examples. Express the following in standard form. In standard form. Question number 1, 0.23. Please watch. This time around we are going into the second part of our work. This is small numbers. This time around the decimal is going this way. The decimal is going this way because this is the first significant figure, and our decimal is always expressed somewhere after the first significant figure. So this is the first significant figure. The decimal will have to cross, like this question that we have. The decimal will have to cross to this place. If it is a large number like 23, the decimal will cross this way for it to be before the first significant figure. But now that the decimal is behind it, it has to cross this way because all decimal have to be here. First significant figure, then decimal. That's the rule. Now that we're dealing with a small number, we're crossing this way. And we're crossing only once. So our answer will be 2.3 times 10 raised to the power of minus 1. Minus 1 because it is a small number. We are moving in this direction. If you are moving in this direction, the power will be carrying minus. That's 2.3 times 10 raised to the power of minus 1. Let's solve another example. 0.031. In standard form, definitely this is the first significant figure. So the point will move 1, 2. The answer will be 3.1 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2. The third one, let's solve third question. 0.0006584. To express this in standard form, this is the first significant figure. The point will move 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer will be 6.584 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4. Minus 4 because we move 4 times for our decimal to 4 after the first significant figure. Example number 4, 0.001. In standard form, the decimal will move 1, 2, 3. Our answer is 1 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3. So we can also change to ordinary form, just as we did when we are dealing with large numbers. Numbers greater than 1 is the same thing. So question 1 now. We are going to copy out the answer. We're going to copy out this answer and then change it back. 2.3 times 10 raised to the power of minus 1. 2.3 times 10 raised to the power of minus 1. Minus 1 means the decimal is moving once. And since it is minus, this time around it will be going in this direction. When we're dealing with numbers greater than 1, we are moving in this direction. But now that we are dealing with small numbers, that is why the power is having minus. The decimal will be going in this direction. If it moves once to this direction, the decimal will be around here. You write 0 before you put the decimal, and this is your 2, and this is your 3. 0.23. So you can see it has returned back. We have returned back to ordinary form, 0.23. Let's copy out the second one. Let's copy what we have there. 3.1 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2. 3.1 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2. What does that mean? It means the decimal will move 2 times. 1, 2. The decimal is here. So this empty space, you fill it up with 0. So you write 0 before you put this decimal. You write 0, then the decimal, 0, then the decimal, which is this. Then this is this 0, and this is your 3, and this is your 1. Please, you can't write decimal here again because it has moved out to this very place. And look at it here. 0.031. The third one, 6.584 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4. 6.584 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4. Here it is. 6.584 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4. That means the decimal will move 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. The decimal is here now. So you write 0 before you put the decimal. Then these empty spaces, you fill them with zeros. Fill them with 0. So we have 0, 0, 0, 6, 5, 8, 4. That's our answer. The last question, question number 4. The last question, question number 4. 1 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3. 1 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3. It means we are going to move the decimal 3 times. For the fact that we are not seeing the decimal here, the decimal is at the extreme end. It's moving 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then we'll fill these empty spaces with 0. So we'll write 0 first before the decimal. Then this is this 0, 0, 1. And that's our answer. So this is what today's lesson is talking about. I will give you assignments. Express the following. Express the following in standard form. 1. 0.044. 2. 0.00046. 3. 0.25. 4. 0.11. Okay, do this work. Then when you are done changing it to standard form, then you should change it again. Change your answer. Change your answer to ordinary form. Change your answer to ordinary form. So we're going to stop here. Don't forget to click the subscription button, click like, click share to help me to keep you posted when the next video is out. Thank you and have a nice day.